Hello, hi, namaskar. I am Rishabh Chatterjee, and in this video, we'll be talking about the Honda CB300R. But before we start this video, if you find this video informative, don't forget to hit on that like button, share this video, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Please do like my Facebook page and also follow me on Instagram. So we know Honda has been kind of flat in terms of premium bikes. They launched 250R, 150R, but they haven't been updated from a very long time. But recently, very strong reports have been coming that they're gonna launch the CB300R, their new premium bike, and it's gonna be like before April. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing some brochure of the 300R. I'm not sure if it has been leaked or Honda has originally like shared it with everyone, but let me show you the brochure. So if you see, the first page is showing the bike. It is written Neo Sports Cafe, so it's actually like inspired from cafe racer kind, so that's what the designing has been. Well, it's a naked bike. And next page, if you see, it talks a little bit about what is it exactly. The Neo Sports Cafe puts Japanese craftsmanship to work and brings together the two main components one looks for in a bike: style and performance. Adding a modern twist to the retro cafe racer style, the all-new CB300R is built to make the rider feel invincible. Its bold new look contrasts brushed alloy radiator shrouds with a blacked-out engine and underslung upswelled exhaust. The all-new steel tubular frame and stout-looking 41mm upside-down front forks provide agile handling as well as character. And with a round headlight, a tail light, and indicators that are all LED, this bike is made to be seen and stand out everywhere. So that was the second page, and it talks about the bike. You'll get upside-down forks, LED, headlight, tail light, and also indicators, so good thing. Next page, when we move on, we can see that it talks about some of the features, and the first feature that is talked about is round shaped LED headlight. New Sports Cafe round LED headlamp is built with unique lighting for every riding situation. The second feature it talks about is tapered rubber mounted handlebar. The 28.6mm diameter handlebar in the middle area is designed to have a tapered shape for more secure and stable control. The third feature talked about is monoshock with 7-step preload adjustment. 7-level preload adjustment rear shock absorber supports all riding conditions, whether riding in the city or touring. Next is upside down front suspension and hubless floating disc. The first of the large 41mm silver front back chokes is the same as Honda's big bikes. This provides excellent balance in all-round conditions. Additionally, providing confidence in braking at any speed are 296mm disc brakes on the front of the radial mount and 4-pot calipers. The next feature is newly designed muffler. The newly designed exhaust based on the Neo Sports Cafe DNA is reproduced from Honda's top-class big bikes. The interior features a two-room structure providing powerful and aggressive engine sound while increasing the efficiency of the acceleration response. And the last feature talked about is new full LCD multifunction meter, gear shift warning lights for when the engine speed reaches the specified range, and peak hold function which allows you to ride exactly how you wish. And the last page finally ends with Honda, and you can see this is the India brochure because you can see the address is Gurugram, Haryana, India, and even the email address is honda2wheelersindia.com. Website is also honda2wheelersindia.com. So that was the brochure, and what is my opinion about the bike? It's gonna be good provided the pricing is right, because we have the Dominar, we have the Duke 390, and these bikes, Dominar has not been doing that well, even though the pricing was good because marketing was not that right. 390 is doing very well, and Honda basically has been a company wherein like people who like bikes and were looking forward to buying premium. Honda is such brand which is known like it has been lazy and hasn't been upgrading. Like people are expecting 250R something new, but they didn't do. 150R they didn't do. they thought some new bike will come, that also didn't come. So it's kind of not been a brand that has been associated with premium bikes that much, but finally it looks like Honda is trying to get into that 300 segment. There's a 286cc engine, around 31 bhp if I'm correct, and it's gonna be a good bike. Honda, so reliability, hopefully the engine is good, and obviously it's Honda, so it's gonna be engineered well. Only thing to be seen is the pricing, and one more thing, that is something some people have told me, is that these all brochures are there, but finally will it come or not? That's also one more question, but looks like it's gonna come. Final plans might change sometime later on, but currently the news is that it's coming before April 2019. So if you're looking for a bike in that 300cc segment, you can wait till, if you can wait till April, then this can be a good choice, because it's a Honda. Reliability, durability, everything is gonna be good. So that's it in this video. Let me know your opinion in the comment section below. What do you think? Will you buy this bike or will you not? Or you have some other opinion? Comment below. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit on that like button, share this video, and also subscribe to the channel. This is Rishabh signing off, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.